Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Scatter Barrel's statements definitely was first and foremost in defense of Little Addy situation. Them all says a Calabar thing. Remember, Scatter Barrel, Vybz Kartel, and Little Addy all attended Calabar. Now, first and foremost, I'm gonna say this. The statement, yeah, it go, you know what I mean? It go offend some. But remember, him never that try to create a comparison. When, however, that try to do is show we say laws have changed. And maybe the reasons why laws have changed is why we look upon a situation and realize it is a different situation. Now, Vybz Kartel reposted the same post. Because when Scatter posted, a portion of the people page Scatter. As I'm say, people are gonna definitely feel that way when they see a post like that. And remember, majority of the citizens are predominantly Christian. Just like what Vybz Kartel point out. In the caption for the post, him say shit. Let me turn off the comments. I forgot most of our citizens are highly religious. I'm not going to use the word the Vybz Kartel use. Him say, no wonder we are the only race captured by two different races, totaling 1400 years and counting. Because him say, man, load the fact that we are now captive by the Chinese. Him say, sorry folks, forgot you are all still. I'm not gonna use the word that he used. Now, viewers and subscribers, without first and foremost taking offense to the statement, prayed at the mindset, and as I always say, the situations why this would be a different topic if it was a different individual is the fact that people normally pre the financial aspect. I said the financial hardship, the fact that you have to go do this and go hard, and no. But it is different in certain parts of the world and even in this particular situation, because first and foremost, we could say this. We're not advocates say yes, everybody figure do this. No. This was an unforeseen situation, and some people like them take offense to the fact that the parents chose to look at the positives and not the negatives of the situation, viewers and subscribers. And I come like that the people them want in parents to do. Like them I say, but wait. Oh, I'm not a cuss, I know them not fuss. No, them choose to say no. We're going to look upon the positives of this. This situation has already occurred, and we're going to move forward. It was not a baby shower. It was a birthday party. No, it was not a baby shower. It was a birthday party, viewers and subscribers. It's the fact that she wear a sash. We say mother, or mama, or expect something like that. And that really sparked. And of course, we see the belly. So, that really, I say, yo, you know what I mean? But she does celebrate the situation as well, because people, as you know, it's a very stressful time. And instead of putting that kind of stress on her mind, whether she be happy and enjoy the experience, whether or not in your own personal opinion, it might happen too soon. You know what I mean? Age difference and all kind of thing. But it's not your decision to make. This has never been your decision to make. And for people who are talking about no. 16, youth are 16, which is the age. So, viewers and subscribers, Scatter Barrel's post, while was in defense, might have been stated the wrong way, and people get lost in the translation of the situation. But I doubt Scatter that try to say, yo, you know what I mean? Ray, him just to point out the fact that look at the age difference. But people interpret a certain type of way. But laws were different back then. And there are reasons why the laws have changed. And in a Little Addy situation, we can clearly say this. The financial hardship, which was the backbone of the reason why them have this difference of age of consent, and the troubles and the trials that come with certain things happening at an early age when you're not financially ready. It's never mentally. Because there was a point in time when the leaders, the forefathers, were raised by adolescents themselves. It might sound strange to you, but it is true. And many of the great names we read about in our history books, them are the youth. If you look upon them age, them are the youth. King Tutankhamun was a youth. The Pharaoh, he was a youth. His wife was a youth as well. Them say a child would lead them. The situation is what it is. And some people want the parents to look upon it in a negative aspect. And they have chosen not to. And that look like it offends some people. That's all I can say. It look like it offends some people. Scatter is a person like this though. He not really respond to people, like I say. And if his opinion on certain historical facts is different from others. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's very different from others. Some people that say him in the know. Some people that say him in denial. It depends on how you want to see it. Half full, half empty. You know what I see. But views are different and everybody is entitled to their own opinion. But everybody seems to try put for them opinion out there when everybody else express their opinion on the situation. Them vex. So everybody will talk, but we don't talk. We can't understand this. So we can't have a point of view. If our point of view is not in alliance or aligned with yours, then we can't see it. We don't understand that. We are allowing you to voice your opinion. We all listen to what you have to say. So that we can tell you, say, no. And that take place. This might be how you perceive it, but this is not what is taking place. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you would feel about scatter post. Were you offended? You know what I mean? Were you in agreement? There are people who are in agreement too as well. I want to hear from them too. If you disagree though, let me know why. Because as I say, I feel like you get lost in translation with the whole nation. And people are saying, oh, scatter. So chat some things in the limelight and them try to involve himself and Ray and you know what I mean? But it's a person, everybody opinionated in these days. And them comments are of such. So everybody have them own views on the situation, but then them own opinions. Some people choose to voice them opinion in the media. Some people choose to voice for them own little circle, run for them friend them and them things of that nature. So scatter being a celebrity is just that, you know what I mean? Same thing is a public type of setting. And not people post on them posts and talk on them attack on IG, but because they're not celebrities, we don't really pay it much mind. You know what I mean? So it is what it is when you look upon it. The situation has taken place. It has occurred. There's nothing you can do now except do what? Prepare for the young one. All you can do is just know, say, alright, under no pressures, responsibilities. But even in the game right now, in the dancehall music, you already have responsibilities in the game. You know what I mean? You have a career, you have obligations. So this is just one of the biggest career you can have in life as a man, is being a parent too. And do the right thing. You know what I mean? And I show your youth the right thing. So, with that being said, that's all I can say to little laddie. You know what I mean? Just know, say, yo, responsibilities, you do have to do. And that's what I can always say about little laddie, is letting an individual show me, say, yo, him wise beyond him years. Meaning, say, even though he might be at a certain age, definitely somebody where I think, or have the capacity of thinking of somebody with years older than it. Him have the mindset. No matter worry about that. Him have the mindset that you're fully focused. Fully Gaza too. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right us up on the platform. The like icon, the like icon, the drop a like on the blog for me like your share icon in close proximity. Bust a share on the blog. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion, comment section, note me 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. However, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know more settings for me. We don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.